guys, welcome to the channel. Good morning to you guys. It's been 2 weeks now, and I just wanted to bring you guys up to date to our project, which is this 1965 Santa Fe 22-footer trailer. And let's just take a look around and see some of the things that we have done in the past 2 weeks. What I decided to do is set this time aside, and I'm trying to polish the chrome of these windows, these windows of the trailer. And the only thing I have at home at the moment, obviously I could use like an aluminum cleaner or something like that, but what I have at the home at the moment is just the steel wool, and I'm dabbing it a little bit here on this Meguiar's glaze, and so I just dab a little bit on here, and I'm going to. And I'm just going to be rubbing it back and forth, and eventually, with a lot of elbow grease, it should turn out like that. Nice, shiny, and polished. So, just for you to get an idea of the work I'm putting into this thing to bring up the shine of these old windows from a 1965 travel trailer. Obviously we have cleaned the windows, we've taken the windows out, we've polished them out, and we also applied some of this CRC cleaner, and this really brings up the shine and it protects it so it don't continue to corrode and create corrosion. I know it could have been done a better job and everything, but time is of an essence, and we were really busy with a lot of other activities. But we did that. Right now what we need to do, I just put the windows up for the time being. We got the tape, then we need to apply it before we bolt it in. So we already purchased 30 feet of the butyl tape. Matter of fact, it's right here. The butyl tape, and this is what we're going to apply on the windows before we bolt it in and everything. So we're going to be doing that this coming week. But let's take a look on the inside and see some of the things we have done on the street side of the trailer. As you can see on this side of the trailer, we have taken the skins out, and we are replacing some of the rotted wood. I seen a video with Larry. He does Can-Ham trailers, and very important video that I saw, and that really opened my attention to the seriousness of replacing these rotted wood and everything. So we're gonna have to replace all this rotted wood along the side here. If you guys want to check out that video, we'll put the link right here on the left hand side. If you guys are interested in purchasing a vintage trailer and everything, it's very important that you do watch this video, and it talks about the rotted wood and the seriousness of the matter. It could become very dangerous if you do pick up a vintage trailer, and so please watch the video, and it's very important that you do before you even think of purchasing a trailer. We were lucky, we were fortunate, and we got this trailer for free, and we were able to bring it home safely. But there was some signs that, the kind of dangerous signs that we didn't see it before we picked up the trailer. But with this video with Larry, he'll show you some of the dangerous signs that you need to watch before you even pick up a trailer, vintage trailer or an old trailer from a field or somebody's backyard. But yeah, just watch the video. So basically we have removed the bottom skirts. We have placed these wooden beams here, these plywood. We are using the pitted jig, and man, this is awesome. We're putting in screws and everything. We're still going to apply some more wood to give a more sound structure to it and to become a little more firm. Let's go on the inside real quick and let's see what's been done on the inside. All right, on the inside, as you can see, we have removed this panel. I kind of wish I didn't, but at the same time, I need to, because I need to replace some of this rotted wood. All in all, the majority of the wood is very sound, it's very good, even though it's from 1965, but it's still very sturdy, very strong. We're going to have to replace this wood here, and also I want to add new wiring, so we can place a switch here, a light switch. We don't want to install some LED lights over at the top. So we're going to do this installation with new wiring and such. But But if you do remodel and if you do a remodel, try to do your remodeling, your fixing, the wooden beams and everything. Try to do it from the outside. It's much easier instead of removing the panels from the inside. It becomes much easier if you just remove the skins outside and work from the outside. And unfortunately, I took this out and I kind of regretted it now. But nevertheless, I'm going to take advantage of it and add new wiring. Other than that, it's all been gutted out. The seats, we're still going to work on this section right here. We will be removing this bench, also removing the tank, the water tank. It's a 40-gallon water tank. We'll be removing all that out so we could put a new flooring down, and also work on the wood paneling on the inside, and perhaps there we're also going to find some rock that we need to replace as well. But basically, this is what we've done for the past 2 weeks, and I think it's coming along quite nicely. But nevertheless, give me the thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe, and continue with this journey on this remodification of this 1965 Santa Fe trailer. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, ciao for now. I purchased 30 feet of the tape. I forgot the name of it. Nevertheless, give me a thumbs up. Man, the sound is terrible. And check out Larry and his teachings of the importance of